Interested in receiving message requests from non-followers as well? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to allow message requests on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the icon at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll down a bit, then tap on Messages and Story Replies. Go to Message Controls. As you can see, for all the options, the setting is Don't Receive. Now tap on Don't Receive. Then change the setting to Message Requests. Do the same for other people as well. Now you will be able to get message requests. To see the message requests, tap on the home icon at the bottom. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. At the top, tap on the requests. This is where you can see your message requests, and that is how to allow message requests on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.